block. For real. You start with your physical layer, which is the cables. It could be the computer itself, the fibers, the network device using the first layer, which is physical. It's the hub. And the hub doesn't really know how to have one person sending a message and another one receiving it and having like a clear pipeline between them. No, every message it has, it floods in a broadcast. It broadcasts in like yelling to everyone in the local network. Uh, this is the message. Everyone will get it. We don't need that. We are not using it anymore. It's outdated. That's it. That's it on hubs, basically. Uh, we have the second layer, which is the data link. You need to know that pretty well for an IT help desk position because most of the jobs you will be doing on the second layer, which is switches, configuring switches, physical equipment like switches, computers connecting into each other, and really building that local area network using the switches for you to have an easy understanding and easy way to troubleshoot things. Basically, the OSI model, like for example, I can ask you on what layer does the router operate in? You need to know that on the layer 3. You need to know that in your sleep, basically. Um, let's go do a quick over on the OSI model. Again, cables, switches, VLANs, MAC addresses, routers, firewalls, IP addresses, subnets, segmentations, router on a stick, connectivity, QoS, which is quality of service. But these things you only get into really on network engineering, knowing network protocols, such and such, like BGP, um, OSPF, RIP, whatever. It's called the heart of the RSI not for no reason. This is the TCP, UDP, SSL, and TLS, which are the core pillars of any application connectivity connection, maintaining a connection between two nodes, between two interfaces. We use TCP, UDP, SSL, and TLS. SSL, we use it for a certificate to know if the other person is for real, legit, whatever. We don't need to get into the depth of it, just I need you to know what it is. Again, for troubleshooting. Session, SIP, TCP, RTP, and other pipes. Basically, you won't have any connection to that layer. It's just a way for you to troubleshoot things and find the origin of them. Let's keep going. Layer 6 presentation. This is how you see everything. This is the format you see everything. This is like having a website and knowing it's in HTML because that's how it is, or React or whatever. The last layer, the application. We have the DNS, HTTP protocols, P2P, like we said, email, SMTP, which is for emails and receiving or sending, Telnet or SSH, which is the way to connect remotely into something in a secure way. SSH is secured. Telnet isn't really secured. That's why we use SSH as a standard today. Again, what you will use is the FTP because you have many shared folders, a way to transport really files in a company. We need you to build on that, knowing company objectives, knowing companies' resources, how companies actually work. Because once you get that nailed down, any company will want to have someone who knows how companies are built, knows the topologies, basically have that on lock. We will not get into depth on anything because it does not matter at the moment. I just need to give you some subjects to really align you with what interviewers and employers are actually looking for in a person. Today, my name is Shoam. I'm an IT professional. I have over 6 years in the IT industry in different positions. I am